Hello everyone. Today here are some thoughts in English. I hope you will like them. If you like them, please like and share the video. You can also get paragraphs, stories, poems, letters and quotes of many inspirational personalities on this channel. Now let's start our quotes in English. Believe in yourself. Anything is possible. It is just a chapter in your life. Turn the page and move on. You must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from. Your only limit is your soul. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Patience is a key element of success. Success is not given, it is earned and it is deserved. The past can hurt, but the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. Trust yourself that you can do it and get it. Do things at your own pace. Life is not a race. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Thank you.